it's never about leather. This is what YSL says. The value of luxury leather lies in preserving its natural characteristics, which include veins, wrinkles, small imperfections, and slightly uneven colors and grains. Leather is particularly susceptible to scratches and is sensitive to light exposure. The leather they describe is the leather I love. I've been pitching about here. Like, I call that artisan leather. Leather that comes from nature, naturally clean and respectfully finished to accentuate that chaotic natural design. Here's what I mean when I say fashion houses cannot use this artisan leather. Even though they describe the true luxury leather that shows the imperfections, the veins, the variances of color and grain, yet they cannot use it because of the quantities they require. They have to standardize lower grade grain leathers to accomplish mass quantities, mass manufacturing, to be able to sell the same looking item all around the world. This kind of aniline finish articles can be done by using cleanest of the raw hides, which is not that readily available in the market. Leather is not a cheap item, especially good leather, but it's never astronomically expensive, making up these price tags. What makes that price tag is the prestige, the status they load on it by spending a lot of marketing dollars. They rent the best premium locations, flagship real estate stores. They have top of the line sales associates, and all these things cost so much more than making this bag. Your best bet to find the real leather luxury they define here is to go for small brands, small shops. They can afford to have bags look each and every time unique.